Hi!
Guys.
Samahan niyo ko ang fishing ako. Is that it? So guys, samahan ako ang fishing. Hi guys! Kumusta?
To our YouTube channel. My mom just opened the banana noodle.
Hanap tayo ng ating pupwestuhan din. Ano yun?
Touch the bum bum.
Naalin yun?
Touch the bird butt.
Ito tayo ngayon, magpipishing, maghanap tayo ng spot. Doon tayo nakapark. Ayan.
Sweet! Sweet!
Ayan, nakakuha sila ng magandang spot. Ayan, magpipishing tayo guys. Ayan.
Lulusungan na. Malalim yan. That's deep, eh? Yeah. Eh? That's 100 feet deep. You can't even see the rock. Baka rocky din yun, eh.
Ayan. Balik tayo ng spot natin ng lugar. Explore pa natin ba doon kasi yung unang ano natin pwesto eh medyo mabato. Baka sumabit lang ang ating ano. Okay ka lang, Gabriel?
Opo. Woo!
Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung direction. Ito, sabi dito, ito, papuntang Simcoe, yung isa naman waterfall. So, ayan. Ayan. Ito yung tinatawag na Shadow Lake. Ayun o. Ayun o sa kabila o. Yan. Ha? Ayun o, yung pwesto ni Kuya dun o. Private ba yun? Hindi. Ayun yung sasakyan niya eh.
Oh, really? You can go there.
Umikot.
Let's go around.
fish.
You remember everything?
Yeah.
See that? You get through? No. Yeah, put that together. And then in that little sinker, you have to clip those two lines. This is the fun part. For you.
Tingnan natin kung may mahuli na si Kuya.
That's ready. That's how you do the
Mahal na ang bilihin ngayon.
Or?
Mag-fishing na lang tayo, mahal ang bilihin ngayon. Wala kaming pang-ulam mamaya. Eto na, fishing na lang. Tapos mamaya iihawin ni Daddy Oliver. Oliver, ayan. Ayan, ang laki na. Parang kasing laki na ng isang bangus na isang kilo. Naku. Ayan na. Tawag dito? Wild berry, oh, ayan oh, wild berry. Pero para sa mga ibon 'yan. Ha? Yan.
What? Those fish?
It's a big turtle.
Put this in the water. Wow.
Nasa ilalim sila ng tulay oh. Talaga to matitindi ang pangangailangan
Careful,
namin
ah.
sa ulam. Ayan. Sige, maghanap buhay kayo ah. Mm. Yan. May turtle daw silang nakita.
Look over there.
Ay, ayun!
Big one.
Ayun ang laki!
Huge.
Nasaan na?
Right there.
Ayun,
Look,
ayun,
it's
ayun.
coming to you.
Ayun yung turtle. Ayun, oh, nakikita nyo ba? Ang laki oh.
Be
Oh,
careful with that. That's a snapping turtle.
Oh.
It can bite you.
nakikita nyo. Nasaan na?
Oh, look at the sapling turtle. I see it.
Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun, turtle.
Avian, no.
Huwag mong batuhin. Oh, ayan na. Sige, kagatay mo si Gabriel. Nakikita ka, Gabriel.
So cool, eh?
Gabriel. Oh, ano? Ang laki ng turtle.
Looking for food.
Ah.
Yeah. He's saying hi to you, Gabriel.
Hi. Guys, snapping turtle.
Yeah, don't put your finger there. Get out.
Oh, God.
Right.
Right, Daddy?
Nice. Oh.
Jet. May isang oras, 2 oras na tayo, wala pa rin nahuhuli.
Mommy!
Ito ang view.
Mommy, another diamond.
Nandito kami sa ilalim ng tulay.
Another diamond.
Tapos, ayan, sunset na, oh. Ganda. Very romantic. Telefantastic. Mr. Lover Lover. Ooh, Mr. Lover Lover. Oy, Machu ah, nasa kabilang tulay ka dyan. Oy. Kayo masyadong paka... Gabi na. Dito pa rin kami. Wala lang. Ito lang yung time na parang pang relax lang namin. Yung lumalabas kayo as family bonding pero walang gastos. Nagbabawal na kami ng tubig, tinapay. Ngayon uwi na kami, kakain pa rin kami pag uwi namin sa bahay. Wala kaming luck ngayon na kaya wala kaming ulam. Ayun, may pang ulam kami. Saan na? Tingin!
Over here, Adrian.
Is that a janitor fish?
That's not a janitor. Here, put it here. There you go.
Saan? Laki?
Can I keep it?
Yeah.
I can't fish. What fish is it?
Let me see.
Bangos, tilapia.
I'll put this.
Tilapia yan.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Patingin!
Only thing actually helped.
We're gonna keep it.
So,
Yan, laki.